Hello guys, welcome to yet another wonderful session of learning with Prepclass. My name is Tutor Olalekon Israel, your Prepclass English tutor, and I am super excited to have you join me in today's session of learning. Now in today's session, we will be answering questions 86 to question 91 from the Jamb English 2014 past question. Remember, the purpose of this session is to help you prepare for your forthcoming Jamb examination. So, without wasting much time, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notifications so you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. Alright, let's begin. Now for question 86 to 88, there is an instruction here. The instruction reads, in each of the questions 86 to 88, choose the option that has the same sound. Choose the option that has the same sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. In each of the questions 86 to 88, choose the option that has the same sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. Question 86, we have the word cool. Now we have the letter O underlined, cool. So which of the options has the same sound as the letter O in the word cool? Option A, full. Option B, look. Option C, look. Option D, shoot. So which of these options has the same vowel sound as the letter U in cool? Now pronouncing cool, it is transcribed as shown on the screen. Cool. Full is transcribed as shown on the screen. Look is transcribed as shown on the screen. Look is transcribed as shown on the screen. Shoot is transcribed as shown on the screen. Now, the words cool and look have the same vowel sound, the U. So the letter O underlined in the word cool is pronounced as U. It is also found in the word look. So the words cool and look have the same vowel sound, the U. So the answer to this question is option B. Alright, moving on to the next question, question 87. Remember, we have to select the option that has the same vowel sound as the letters underlined in the word. Question 87, we have the word color. Color. So we have O-U-R underlined in color. So we have to select the option that has the same vowel sound as we have in O-U-R in color. Option A, flow. Option B, sugar. Option C, hold. Option D, floor. So which of these options has the same vowel sound as the O-U-R in color? Now, color is transcribed as shown on the screen. Flow is transcribed as shown on the screen. Sugar is transcribed as shown on the screen. Hold is transcribed as shown on the screen. Floor is transcribed as shown on the screen. So color and sugar have the same vowel sound, the schwa sound. Color, sugar. So we can see the schwa sound in color and in sugar. So the answer to this question is option B. Where we have O-U-R in the word color, we have the same sound where we have A-R in the word sugar, the schwa sound. Alright, moving on to the next question, question 88. Remember, we have to select the option that has the same vowel sound as the letters underlined in the word. Now the word we have in question 88 is palm. Palm. So we have the letter A underlined. So we have to select the option that has the same sound where we have letter A in palm. Option A, ranch. Option B, florid. Option C, lunch. Option D, plat. So which of these options has the same sound as we have in the letter A in palm? Now, palm is transcribed as shown on the screen. The letter A, the sound we have here is the R, palm. Now, the answer is option A, ranch. Ranch is transcribed as shown on the screen. We can see the R in ranch as well. It is found in palm and ranch. The R. Now, it is not florid. Florid is transcribed as shown on the screen. It is not lunch. Lunch is transcribed as shown on the screen. It is not plat. Plat is transcribed as shown on the screen. But palm and ranch have the same vowel sound, the R. So the answer to this question is option A, palm, ranch. Alright, moving on to the next question, question 89. Now, For questions 89 to 91, there is another instruction. Instruction reads, in each of the questions 89 to 91, choose the option that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. In each of the questions 89 to 91, choose the option that has the same consonant sound as the one represented by the letters underlined. Question 89, the word we have is vision. We have the letter S underlined. The sound in the letter S is sh, vision. So we have to select the option that has the same sound that is pronounced where we have the letter S in vision. Option A, instruction. Option B, mansion. Option C, nation. Option D, enclosure. So which of these options has the same consonant sound found in vision, the position where we have letter S? Which option has that same sound in its word? Now, vision is transcribed as shown on the screen. The letter S is pronounced as sh, sh. Now, instruction is transcribed as shown on the screen. Mansion is transcribed as shown on the screen. Nation is transcribed as shown on the screen. Enclosure is transcribed as shown on the screen. We have the j in vision and in enclosure. So vision and enclosure have the same consonant sound, j. The position where we have the letter S in vision is pronounced as j. It is also found where we have letter S in enclosure, j. So the answer to this question is option D, enclosure, vision. They have the same consonant sound, j. Alright, moving on, question 90. Remember, we had to select the option that has the same consonant sound as the underlined letter in the word. Question 90, Nash. Nash, we have letter G underlined. So which option has the same sound? Which option has the same sound found where we have letter G in Nash? Option A, forge. Option B, new. Option C, king. Option D, ring. Now, Nash is transcribed as shown on the screen. The letter G is not pronounced, it is silent. It is silent. So Nash is transcribed as shown on the screen. You will not hear the letter G. Go. You won't hear it. You won't say Nash. No, it is pronounced as Nash. Option A, forge. Forge is transcribed as shown on the screen. The answer to this question is option B, new. New is transcribed as shown on the screen. Remember, in Nash, the letter G is silent, so it starts with the and the is also found in new. So we have the same sound where we have G in Nash because the G is silent, so it is pronounced as new. Nash, new. So we have the same sound in Nash and in new. Remember, the letter G is silent. It is not king. It is not ring. King is transcribed as shown on the screen. Ring is transcribed as shown on the screen. What we have in king and ring is the But in Nash, we have the letter G, which is silent, pronounced as And in new, we have the as well. So the letter G in Nash is silent. So the sound present in the word is which is also found in new. So the answer to this question is option B. Alright, moving on to the next question, question 91. Remember, we had to select the option that has the same consonant sound found in the letters underlined in the word. Question 91 is pronounced as epitaph. Epitaph. The letter PH is underlined in epitaph and it is pronounced as epitaph. PH is underlined and it is pronounced as so we have to select the option that has the same sound. Option A, pseudo. Option B, fan. Option C, pacer. Option D, pneumonia. Option C should be paper, not pacer. Paper. Option D, pneumonia. Now, epitaph is transcribed as shown on the screen. The position where we have PH is transcribed and pronounced as epitaph. Pseudo is transcribed as shown on the screen. We don't have the fan is transcribed as shown on the screen. We have the which is found in epitaph as well. So the answer to this question is fan. In epitaph, where we have PH on the line, we have what? In fan, where we have the letter F, it is pronounced as F. So we have what? In epitaph and fan. It is not paper. Paper is transcribed as shown on the screen. No. It is not pneumonia. Pneumonia is transcribed as shown on the screen. No. So epitaph and fan both have the same consonant sound. So the answer to this question is option B, fan. Right. And with that, we've come to the end of this wonderful session. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. Do not forget to drop your questions in the comment section. Also, share this content with your friends and loved ones. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.